Okay, so we are reviewing distributive property today. I need everyone to have their pencil ready. If you are at home, get your whiteboard out or a piece of paper to copy down problems as we go. And if you need to pause, go ahead and pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, those of you in here, we are not going to do the top problem because it's already been done for us, but it is a good example. The second problem, we are solving them the same way we have been, where I encourage you to copy down the number like this. All right, what number are we breaking out here in this first problem? Josiah?
5 plus 7.
Does 5 plus 7 equal 57?
No, 50 plus 7.
There we go. Whatever we write here, if we add it up, it has to give us this number. All right, so 7 times 50 is our first problem. We can put our 50 here. And then 7 times 7. Is everyone good up to that step?
Yes. Yes.
All right. So the next step, we do our multiplication. Cover up my 0. We know that trick now. 7 times 5 is 35. Add a 0. That's what they got. 7 times 7 is 49. That's what they got. And they added and got 399. All right, we're going to start the next problem. This time, you are going to try the beginning step on your own. Okay, which number do we need to split up, 48 or 5? Hayden?
48.
48. Everyone do the first step that we write here, and then check with me. Try it on your own first, then check with me. See if we got the same answer. All right, thumbs up if you split it to 40 and 8. All right, most of you. Hopefully you at home did the same. Next up, 5 times 40 and 5 times 8. All right, this time we have to do the multiplication. So, how do I solve 40 times 5? Someone who hasn't answered in a while. Cadence?
Cover up 0.
Okay.
And 20.
Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, and then what? What about that 0 we covered?
Another 0.
Yeah, so be careful on the answers that end in a 0, right? That's not the 0 we covered. That was part of our answer. So 200. All right, what about 8 times 5? Josiah?
40.
40. All right, 200 plus 40 is 240. All right, I am doing 2 more with you, and then you're going to do the rest on your own, so make sure you're with me. All right, we have 75 times 5. Which number should we split apart? Noah? 75. So I've got 5 times 70 plus 5. All right, 5 times 70 is one problem, and then 5 times 5 is my second problem. Now I'm going to pause and let you do the multiplication and adding yourself. Keep on working. Multiply these to get that answer. So you get that right. Multiply these with that. And we add these two. All right, I'm going to check in. Whoop. I'm going to check in and see how we're doing. Someone tell me, how do you do 5 times 70? Noah?
5 times 7 first.
Okay. Which is?
75. Then add a 0 to that.
Add my 0. What about 5 times 5? I'm going to call a victim that hasn't answered in a while. Angie, what's 5 times 5?
25.
25. So we have 350 plus 25. And they gave us the answer, but what key might help us with that mental math? What can we think about? Cadence?
Never mind.
Never mind. Josiah?
5 plus 2.
Okay, but I'm thinking about quarters. Do you guys ever think about quarters when you see 50s and 75s and 25s?
Yeah.
So if I have 350, I know 50 plus 25 is 75. Okay, the last one together, and then the rest is on your own, all right? 41 times 6, what's my first step? Quentin, can you tell me my first step here?
The first step is going to be you're going to want to get like kind of you're going to want to make that 41 a 40, and then you're going to want to take the 1 because then 40 plus 1, 40.
Good. So we just changed this into an addition problem. All right, then we add or multiply 6 times 40. And our second problem is 6 times 1, which is nice and easy. All right, what do we do for this first problem? Zoe, how do we do 6 times 40? What do I need to cover up first? Yep, we covered a 0. 6 times 4, Hayden?
24.
24. Add back the 0 I covered. 6 times 1, hardest problem of the day? Josiah? 6. Nice job.
You call that hard?
240 plus 6. We can do that in our heads, mental math. What will my final answer be? Chloe?
For 246.
Good job. All right, any final questions before we are turned loose to finish? Okay, so I'm going to be grading the ones at the bottom very carefully. So make sure you show me all your work. This step I think is very helpful for you all. If you don't do it and make mistakes, I recommend doing this again, okay? Noah?
What did you do when you're done?
I'll go over that in 1 minute. Any other questions about this? Josiah?
The answer is 246.
Ah,
Like skip count, 2, 4, 6, 8.
skip counting by even numbers. Very good. All right, friends at home, good luck. I will see you later.